Hi guys, I'm so excited to show around this brand new share house just opened in December 2024. Share houses are becoming super popular in Japan and they're really evolved into more than just a place to stay. They're more of a lifestyle now. Living with others is a new trade, and for foreigners, it is easier than ever to get settled in. The process is simple, the costs are lower, and the rooms come fully furnished, saving both time and money. Plus, you get your own private room while using common spaces like lounge, kitchen, toilet, shower room, working space, and even a gym with a housemate. So, if you're planning on moving to Japan and still worry about the cost and the furniture and the other thing that you should prepare, this share house might be a perfect option for you. Let's go check it out.
First thing you will find is mailbox for each room. After passing through this area, enter the password. You're greeted by this super cute sofa right by the entrance. Feels like home already, right? On the left, we have the working space, bright, cozy, and perfect for getting things done. And the chairs, they feel good. Now let's head over to the lounge area. This is where you can hang out, eat, and socialize with other housemates. We've got a huge TV on the wall. This is perfect for movie nights or playing Mario Kart. Always a good time. The main lounge opens directly to an outdoor lounge area. It's a bit chilly right now, but just imagine how enjoyable when the weather is nice. Alright, let's check out the kitchen. If you ever rented a single room before, you know the kitchen can be super tiny. But here, it's big. We've got 3 IH stoves and full set of cooking gear, frying pans, pots, and everything you need for cooking. This house also has electric kettles, rice cookers, toaster, microwaves, and the other stuff. Plus, cups and a tableware are provided, so you can just move in and start cooking. This share house has everything needed for start. Also, sponges and dish soap are free to use, and the water pressure is great. Don't worry about cleaning. Cleaning company comes in every day to clean the common areas and take out the trash, so you don't have to worry about taking turns with housemates. Each floor has washing machines and cotton dryers, everything you need for a convenient daily routine. Look what I found, LED lighted mirror with 3 different lighting modes, perfect for setting up the right mood. The gym is on the first floor, no need to worry about disturbing anyone with noise. There's plenty of space for 1 or 2 people to work out together. But I'm not really sure what is this. If anyone knows, please let me know in the comments. Okay, here we are, the shower room area. Since this is a new house, all the shower rooms has been fully renovated and sparkly clean. Oh, more cotton dryers and a washing machine. And the first floor even have a full bath. Relaxing hot bath after a long day sounds perfect. This share house has an elevator which is pretty rare. I personally appreciate no more dragging luggage on the first moving day. Alright, here's the best part of today's house tour. Let's check in room on the first floor. This room is enough for a single person. The rent is 67,000 yen per month, which is about $430 or 412 euros. On the left side, we have shelf, closet, fridge, table and chair. On the right side, there's a shoebox and vanity sink and a single bed. I'm 5 feet 3 tall, so the bed is a little big for me. First thought, I was like, it isn't necessary in the room, but it's quite useful. Plug for hair dryer and warm lights for self-checking. Cold water and hot water both at your service. And yes, air conditioner is included. Here's the actual feeling of this room. Not too big, but cozy. Okay, that's all for this house for now. If you want to see more of the neighborhood looks like, make sure to check out our other videos too. Bye!